Everyone, good evening. I beg, just help me share out. Now you see do this small broadcast because this boy you can't they come too much. You can't they come too much for social media because the freedom we would they look for. Not be the kind of freedom what would they find. Not be these people they find. Because most of those people they don't commit atrocity. They don't want to make their property lost. They don't want to make the things where their forefather don't take for the indigenous people. They don't want to make those things lost. Now these people, now Oba Bini, now they send them enter social media. So wonder civilian, I want to tell you one thing. Wonder civilian, I bet who know wonder civilian, may invite and may come here. Wonder civilian, I they tell you this word this night now. This night they tell you this word. May they tell you now, as Bini people, as Bini be, so you be Bini, you be Edo, as it be, so you don't divide. Understand? So everybody carry your cross. Everybody carry your cross. Fight for yourself. Fight for your family. If you think that you are fighting for the Godomigodo, Idu state, you fight for it, you are just wasting your time. You are wasting your energy. Anybody, when they say you come outside, say, may you can't go the fight. The fight, where they say you don't know the fight, where they fight for. The person, it waste the time. Because what you they fight for, we don't know. We don't know what you they fight for. You will continue your talk. Now where you for cross your head. Now dear me won't play for his side. Me told that fire Oba Bini.
I thank God, me I'm happy. I thank God, my people are waking up.
Your people are waking up. Okay.
The lies.
Okay.
My people are waking up now.
Your people are waking up.
The entrepreneurial spirit of the ethos would see many of them move out of their hometowns in search of all the opportunities their new nation had to offer. From Lagos to Benin, Port Harcourt, and even major northern cities like Kano and Kaduna, Igbos began to build businesses and pioneer new industries in the places they migrated to. But as is often the case with successful immigrants, it wasn't long before many of the locals, especially in the north, began to feel more than a bit uncomfortable with the success of their new neighbors. Listen, what you're listening to now is very clear.
Okay, very clear.
After they forced the rest of us, they created our country, Nigeria. Igbo man, the president, and the rest. Igbo will not stay in their origin. You look at that.
My people, you see, wonder civilian. Waiting, I want to try to tell you now for this thing where you talk so. In Nigeria, they know they see Wazo Bini. May you now understand so because when we are fighting, you know say this thing, these people they make they do wrong thing at the wrong time. When would they fight for freedom? We know they fight for not be Wazo Bini Nigeria create, not be the British create. They create Wazobia. They did not put Wazo Bini inside. If una know they get this thing now, sometimes una go they do something with ignorant, una head not correct. Oba Bini go your son come outside, come confuse people. If who are you people confusing? Una don't know what una they fight for. Una know they fight for freedom. More than enter inside house, more than civilian. The Nigeria not create Wazo Bini. British not come create Wazo Bini. They create Wazobia. Now we take they find our route they go. So as me as Igodomigodo Biafra, Edo state. You now Bini you be. Bini is for Yoruba. You find your route to Oduduwa. You find your route to Oduduwa, one civilian. Look for your route to Oduduwa. Fight for Oduduwa. Don't be coming out and be say when Nigeria created the country. But you people are there when Nigeria created the country. Oba Bini is there when Nigeria created the country. The people you call south, southwest, west, south, upper, down river, they are there when the British created the country. Are they sleeping when the British created the country? The answer is no. They are not sleeping when the British created the country. What is your problem now? All the old Bini people, what is your problem? If you want to look for freedom, if you want to fight if you want to fight freedom, go and call the British. Why did you put us this way? Why did you satellite us? British will tell you we use you people and dump you people. I'm telling you so, wanted civilian. British use you people, he use Oba Bini, he use you people and give you kingdom. At the end of the day, una the kingdom now, you people are benefiting in the kingdom. Now we the Bia, we are going, you to take kingdom and go to hell. Madonna the Carlo is not dragging kingdom for you people. Because my people, what did these people they fight for? Now kingdom that they fight for. This is the reason. Because if they thought this thing, in Biafra now, there is nothing like kingdom. No kingship. You be animal. Your head not correct for you to make sure say you be kingdom for there. Other in Igodomi, especially in Igodomigodo land, Other city in Biafra now can created the kingdom. But if you are coming to Igodomi land, say you won't come perform, say you be kingdom, make sure say you put your agbada, put your ivie, can ivie where you want wear, come Igodomi, pull am down for there first. You will use leg, take check, enter Igodomi land. Before you do say you be normal human being. If you want to do kingdom, nobody, there is nothing like kingdom. Because these people na kingdom, they fight for. Oba Bini put them for social media. They confuse people. You know, China in energy may go me British, may go tell British, say why they create Wazobia, why they not create Wazobini, why not, you know, add Bini join inside Wazobia. When the British go, they greet Oba Bini for a graveyard there, for a palace there. And the British go and greet the Waibo Biafra. Did they go and greet Mazuna the Kado? No, they did not go and greet Mazuna the Kado. When the British is coming to go and greet the Queen of England, greeting Oba Bini, did they come and greet Mazuna the Kado? No, they did not come and greet Mazuna the Kado because they are the one that created the kingdom you people are fighting for. They are the one, the British is the one that created the kingdom you people are fighting for. I'm telling you today, when Nigeria did not, the British did not created Wazobini. British created Wazobia, Modern Savina. Everything you are your saying, all of them are rubbish because they don't share us, divide us, southwest, Niger Delta, river upper down, all those things now are simple for brain. My brother, you come late. Those things not there our brain again. Maybe they tell you now, the energy we will not get, Modern Savina, and they tell you now the energy we will not get, Mona China for una kingdom, go and fight war to the British. Una say una fight war before. Carry that your energy, channel that your energy, go and fight the British so that you people, you now help and British they get kingdom. They get England, the Queen of England. Go and meet them. Mona two fight. If una two fight, una fit take the kingdom. Una fit take the kingdom. Una fit take the kingdom for the British hand. What that's civilian. Una fit take the kingdom for the British hand. So don't they come outside, you come they talk, say, Igbo, this one, they created Nigeria. Yes, not the Igbo man created Nigeria. The British come and amalgamate Nigeria with the help of Oba Bini. They amalgamate Nigeria finish. At the end of the day, they give Oba Bini kingdom. Oba Bini carry a kingdom, he carry a go, he enslave your papa, he enslave your generation, he put una for metal slavery to the extent that una come outside, say Oba Bini na Jesus Christ. Now second Jesus Christ, we can't die for our sin. Now second, una don't manufacture so many things. Those things is not working for you people anymore. Why are you people crying now? There is no kingdom in Biafra land. Anything like kingdom. My people, I tell you now what these people they fight for. What these people they fight for? Now just one single thing. That broadcast where I did that do that they will say in Biafra land there is no kingdom. That broadcast it shake the whole world. Let me tell you people today, it shake the whole world. The whole world, entire this world, it shake all of them. Now make you see all these rats that they come outside. Those people will say they don't know where they pay them. They be immigrant for Italy. Permission the sojourner. This mad boy be so. Now permission the sojourner. Dove documento. Now Europe people Italy they ask every blessed day. If they renew document, this foolish boy be so my people. This boy they renew document on daily basis. If they renew, it will expire. They will say may go renew one. Go renew one. You know they both say may go back to the kingdom when he come. Why he come on for the zoo called Nigeria? Why he come up for there? Come this thing, come Italy, come they stay. We be saying why not stay the zoo? Make it make the zoo great again. Wonder civilian, for your information, I want you to do this broadcast short. For your information, we they tell you now, you people are kingdom. You are the kingdom. You people are frustrated. The kingdom are frustrated. You people, you run away. Now as you run, we know you are from Ogbe. Now those people Oba family, you are Oba family. You channel your energy, begin to be fighting for kingdom. When we say we don't want kingdom in Biafra now, Biafra is a republic. You have a right to fight for your kingdom. You can fight it, but you cannot you cannot put it in Biafra land. It's not acceptable. No, it cannot work. You take it elsewhere, or you ask the Queen of England, how we go come do this kingdom now? Since this kingdom can't be like this, how we come do it? Because it's there now we are going. This one, not the British won't give us freedom. Not the America won't give us freedom. We don't come back to our right senses. Say, these people now divide our rule, they do our people before. They don't divide us, share us. Carry us now, they can't go carry we now, we now will be Biafra. They can't go carry us, una will be Fulani. The Oba Bini is a Fulani. You are a Fulani man. Understand? So we cannot live together because we know they reason the same thing. What do you mean the reason now? Say me the reason you now say you are fighting for kingdom. Me the reason say so no in Biafra now we don't want kingdom. It's not they cannot work in Biafra now. Only kingdom we will dey Biafra and I be kingdom of heaven. I be only Biafra. Understand what that's even? This is one thing that they miss inside. That only Biafra na be the kingdom of heaven. So that when they make the mistake, they say, okay, Oba Benin go bring you come outside because you they shout where you can't they confuse people and say you can't they bring what British don't write down, what British don't concord down, voice talk where British don't write down, voice things where we say they don't use Uibo voice they manufacture. British will go put something, they'll go put something for inside go. They'll tell us say I may go tell you. One that's even now you did there where they created Go. You did there where British amalgamate Nigeria. You there? Oba Benin is not there. They never even born Oba Benin. This mad person that live in graveyard, he don't have village. You don't know say now not the road now Oba Benin they stay. You don't know say now not the road they stay. Did you think that place is a village? Now you say that place na city. I mean you don't know say now not the road. A man that live in not the road. You are telling us that is a you putting kingdom there. You are trying to put kingdom there. Let me tell you people one thing. All these Benin people, me they tell una one thing. This thing, we una start so, by the time we through with una, that Benin so, that those state, that's okay, those state, go to land there, we go to drive all of una come up for there. I'm telling you people today, Wonder Civilian, I bet you, we go to drive all of una come up for that Benin. Since una say, una head not correct, we go tell una say that land, the indigenous people will get that, go to, they won't take back their land. Una go where una go come. We go tell about Benin, make pack a load, make it pack it baggages, make come up for that land. I'm telling you today, not be say we fight this people say we that go come consult person. No. Fight for your kingdom. Tell about Benin should call you people together, call you know that. There is no kingdom that place. Understand? The slavery mentality, it don't finish. Anybody where you know say you won't follow about Benin for his slavery, carry your bag and go where you go. You go where you came from. Carry your bag and go where you came from. More than not they come social media, they confuse our people. Don't they come social media? Fight for Oba Benin. No man. Now Oba Benin send these people come social media, my people. Oba Benin is the one. They are confused people. They don't confuse. They are looking for kingdom. And there is no kingdom. No, day. Kingdom, no day. You know, they ask this foolish boy now. This boy foolish rich. His stupidity rich. Ask him. Waiting Oba Benin. Since Oba Benin, when they call kingdom for that place. Which Oba Benin they use for that place? Now generator they use. Generator. They buy gas, diesel. Now they on daily basis. Ask her which water they drink. Now boil water. They drink boil. Is it boil for that place where they drink water? Ask her whether he get good. If he has where Oba Benin, you go check her. Now only he outside there. Now he tie rope pass. The money where they develop the indigenous people land. Oba Benin carry the whole money to build fence for that house. Okay, you can't come after. You can't expect me now. As an some man now, we can't expect me now. Say me no wage war against you now. Wonder Civilian, what is good for una? Let me tell una now. All Benin people, all Edo people, we they tell una now. We the Esan people, just Esan people. We just leave our Igodomigodo people out of this one first. We they tell una now. This is a warning to you people because by the time we come for you people, now this thing now una do, una take kill Abu Salih. Una kill Abu Salih for our present. We will not talk, but we are coming for the revenge of Abu Salih. And the coming of the revenge of Abu Salih, it will be a bloody. It will be a bloody to the extent that you people, we are going to make sure, say, all of you people, when I go the wrong enter scatter, we know you know. Let me tell you one thing, in that Edo state, if you want to fear anybody in that Edo state, now only Sama you will fear. Understand me? So, me they tell you now, we they make una, they say, Edo state, Benin people, Benin, Edo great. Now we they make them great. We they bring her down now to the link. We want to make sure say Oba Benin will come outside for publicly. He will talk say you know be kingdom. He will talk say the Jew will bring off our now rubbish. You know they work. Now in a foolish person. He will talk her publicly before we go even accept and make him man stay there. If not, we are going to deal with Oba Benin, spiritual and physical and everything. And we will make sure say we bring Oba Benin down. And he will dead down. Poverty will kill him for that land. I'm telling you today. Don't think we are joking. Don't think we are joking. If you not get slave for there, you people can accommodate your slave. But if you come outside, you come the trauma, go give our leader Mazuna the Kano, and when they come outside and this was so, we go tell our Isha people, everywhere is a day for that Edo state, may they wage war against you people, because you people una be evil, may they join her together to go to people, children where they there, may they wage war against una people, because una be minority for that place. You come outside, they talk say, Mother Civilian, they know they see Wazo Benin. Now Wazo Bia they see. If you are fighting for freedom, go and fight for Wazo Benin. Tell British, the England, tell them say you need Wazo Benin. They will give you Wazo Bini, understand? They have pay you off. British pay Oba Bini off. They pay her money when they come fight the war. When they come fight Igodomi people, they don't pay her money. Give her kingdom. They use kingdom to compensate her. And they use kingdom to compensate her now. Me not see why you will come outside the brab. Say 1967, 1981. We are not, that one are just, now that we not dead there that time. You understand? So we not just dead there that time. But this time now, when there's civilian, this time where we did now, all those things where you dey read, so amalgamation, this one, no, all those things now your British put together to confuse people, to tell us, hey, we come for here, you be southwest, you be upper river down, river upper down. No, we are not be that area we did. Now the area where we did now be say, wetin we know now be say, now Wazobia, now that they see, share the sound for your ear where modern civilian, Wazobia, the wa they go, the bia we are going, the zo that they go. The Benin way they inside, when I go carry on a kingdom, go down for elsewhere. When I say British, when they went, sometimes if all those people, sometimes why me know they like to they do your video because they look to say you be foolish boy because you they do Shorotti for Italy there. Shorotti that this boy they do for Italy there. You don't have joy. And this boy foolish rich so. Are these people, may I tell you my people, are these Benin people foolish rich? They don't know how to hustle. They don't know anything. Let me tell you my people, are these people be rich? These people, all these Benin people, let me tell you one thing. They be foolish people. Foolish people. If they see you now and they and say, you don't the progress or your life don't the better for you. They will want gawa you. They'll say all these people don't mind them now. This thing now market that they do, don't mind. But they cannot do it. Understand? They cannot do it because they be foolish people. They cannot do it. They be foolish people. They don't get sense. They will come Italy. They'll come they do shoro and he's there now they fight for kingdom. In there now they fight for kingdom. He will come Europe. He will come they do shoro. He will see where big boy like him, a whole mature person. Go and check. Go check. The Padova way modern civilian day. May go check each people where they Padova for there. Young boy, go check her. He don't get mansion for a house. He don't they do things. Nobody they take. You know they depend on woman. Go and check Padova in Italy. Go check Padova where you did there. How many East and map where you will see say they do short for that place? You know they understand. He go come out. He go move ahead. I'm telling you. He go come out for that place. Not be saying na control. He go come out for that day. But go and check the Benin people there. Their food there, they are dragging for supermarket. They want your die inside supermarket. This is their job. All these Benin people now, their job is that one. That's why when they tell una now, we not be the same. How will not be the same? It don't clear for Western world. It's clear for home. We are going to deal with two people. Una won't go. We can't go. They think say we be one. We can't they add una join una mess. Our mess. We will not say for us for the one. Now paper. Now these people they sell for road. Paper. All those paper where they tell the buy something for supermarket. Now these people they sell for road, they sell for supermarket, they start for supermarket, they sell for all the whole junction, they go for supermarket. They come outside, we need freedom pass any other thing. Women know say even my fellow Ishaman, he dey prison, he just dey because of money. Yes, now money cannot go there, you not fight, but now fight, now they fight. You now the energy, the time where you get, they go hustle, they go look for money, maybe they take care of yourself. You not go do one, you dey shout for there because Babini don't give you money, he don't use less all of you now. He don't use less all of you now. Time now go run against you now. Wait till you they learn now. You go teach your pikin when he born you. Wait till you they learn now. You teach your pikin you born you. Your pikin will inherit for your hand now. That time now your pikin now don't dey useless. You don't get life to live again. Now be the sow where the seed where you sow, you must surely reap. Everything where you they do today now modern civilian. Your pikin they will reap. Other pikin no will reap. Other pikin want you useless all of una because you know say una be foolish people. Una no get sense. Una brain no dey work. Now make the fool. Now make come outside tell una say he be Jesus Christ. He get kingdom. Una want come they use the kingdom till they deceive Asian people. We are one people kill all of una kill Oba Benin. Una dey craze for una head. Go and ask Oba Benin. Benin people. Mona call Oba Benin. How the Asian people be for Europe? Ask them. Go and call him. The Asian youth. Ask them how they be for Europe. They will all those Benin people. They will tell about Benin. All these people, you get the way they take day. So, modern civilian, you're very careful with Bamazuna di Kalu. I'm telling you today, be very careful. I'm telling you today because people will come outside for this freedom. Me won't tell you modern civilian. People will come outside for this freedom. Modern civilian, me won't tell you now. You are too small. You don't want to tell you too small. If I won't do you something, me I will tell you say me I don't prison not be my problem. I will because of you go prison for this country. Understand me? So you never go before. I will because of you. I'll go second prison for Italy for there. I'll travel come meet you for there. I'll carry fire come meet you for there. Maybe you test prison. Maybe you check whether you feel bear the prison where people they go for Europe. I be your head not correct. You think say we dey joke for this prison, for this freedom? We won't go prison for this Western world. As we dey shout so, make you just shout finish, make coronavirus finish. Now me go carry fire go meet you for there. I go carry fire go meet you for there. And I will tell you say that Italy where you did there so you get people where Italy give document. Now mad person document they give them. They know they carry them go anywhere. They are well recognized. Even though say no use the paper take go any you know give police the paper. Now as the police see you know say now this person they find. And I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Anybody wey no want that even for Padova, Mona call her because I'm going to meet you in Padova. I'm going to meet you in Padova. Me will go meet you for Padova where you did there. So now me they talk one day civilian. You know why they tell you say now me they talk? Why me they tell you say now me they talk one day civilian? Because you don't know me. You know why I tell you say you don't know me? Me, I will give you problem. Now me will find your trouble. Me by myself. Now me will find your trouble. Now me will go meet you. I will find your trouble. Me and you will fight. They will carry me and you go prison. Understand me? So since you dey fight for Oba Benin, I won't tell una say see the way that they make problem. The way problem take dey sweet. I will dey teach all of una. The way problem take dey sweet. Una never see problem. If una don't see problem, una go enter inside house. This freedom where if we will go court, we will go judge our, we will go wait till we see, we will go tell police for inside prison. I'm telling you today, one civilian. If you don't retrieve your step for what you dey do, so me and you we will go prison for this country. Oba Benin no go save you. And the prison where we won't go, nobody will save you for the prison where we won't go. No be market will carry or go prison. Now fight, me and you, we go fight, kill ourselves for road. Police will come, they will go drop me for you for inside prison. Foolish people will not get sense. Mad people, they come outside, they shout for social media. People will not, all these people, my fellow Biafra, all these people, they be foolish people. They are from extraction of the Yoruba. They are fighting for kingdom. And they don't useless for Europe. They want to make the next generation useless for home. Now be their plan. And we will not use it to likely with them. We the some people, me they tell you now, modern civilian. We the some people, we are going to deal with you people. Mona they prepare. We are going to make sure say all of una una know now. We know they talk and hide. We don't know if we won't do now something. Now see me and see you. We know they go those Oba Benin juju. We don't those various things. We don't start. See me and see you. Will they do something blood daylight? We will bloody ourselves for road. We know they if we want we they fight for waiting rights. I'm telling you, one day civilian. We the some people we they fight for waiting right. Even though say we die put, we only say now waiting right now we they fight put. No be una we no dey fight for no know what they fight for. No left, no back, no front. Rubbish, foolish people everywhere. A man that migrated to Italy, he go come outside, he go see person wey want free am for a metal slavery. He go say no, he want dey inside. Make the Congo they call, make the Congo consult una. Modern civilian, no consultation. Oba Benin is not recognized. Oba Benin, for your information, may I show my face where? Oba Benin, for your information, you not recognize. They don't know you. You understand? So nobody know you. If you know that you want to fight war in Igodomi, you can carry a year, all those secret, recruit them. So I want to tell my Igodomi children, if you know, say you join Oba Benin secret court, a year or a year, retrieve your step. I'm telling you today, retrieve your step. Retrieve your step. Tell him to fight for himself. Tell him to fight for his family. Don't follow him to do whatever he's doing so. Because we want to save the next generation. It will use that if you call if children, if you may call them, may bring them back, come back to America, may they come fight for them. Because this generation where we did so, the some people, if we see say the Benin people, that they bend their hair, go one side, we go deal with all of them. And we are going to fight you people. Not be say we talk. What is the civilian? We the some people who will fight to now. For this Europe, we go fight to now. Now this war will start so we are going to be fighting you people. More serious they keep on a power put. We won't see where on a power they go keep and put now. We won't see now. The power one they show the Benin one say great. The Edo Benin one say great. We won't see now how it take great now. May everybody they look everything for broad daylight. May they see they go open for ground. No one know who make her great. May everybody know who made that kid on great. You think say we be like una, una they kill una self, una don't kill the whole Edo state youth finish. You think we be like una they fight una self, una they kill una self. We are not like una. We not they fight to ourselves. Go and check any Sampes, go and check him. He cannot fight him. Now what he's looking for is money. He don't even have your time. He cannot fight it. But if you enter street, my people, if you enter street, now you will differentiate we and these Benin people. If we dey street, now you will differentiate. You will they ask them say where you from come. They'll they tell you say not be the same place una for come. You say and I'm the same place before, but we not be the same. We are not one. Let make us not be one. That's why they advocate to tell the Asian people. We are the Benin. We not be one. They don't put mess for our body. They don't make people know say we are one. They can't feel say they say we be stupid people. And now they be the stupid people. Now they don't get sense. Now they come out for Western world for Nigeria. They come out for Nigeria, forget their sense for inside Nigeria. They say come European see they drag for kingdom. They want to create kingdom. You see what these people are doing? They want to create kingdom. Instead, they will suffer, come down, make them fight for their next generation so that they will even see something, see name the beer. They don't do that one. Wonder civilian for your information, Edo State is not existing anymore. Edo State is not existing. Benin is not existing. Anybody that call himself Benin is a mad person, is an animal. He don't know what he's doing. Because British don't play on a 419. British play you people 419. That 419 be this one. Una supposed go turn on energy, go meet British, so that British go help una. Okay, kingdom, una may attach una join their kingdom. Now let British get kingdom. Queen of England is there. It can attach you people join the Queen of England there. At the end, even carry una thing self, una dustbin. He carry for there. Mona go meet down. He go give una this thing. So no, they come outside for social media, they fool yourself, or you they come outside, they shout up and down. The car is not your problem. What that's civilian? Your problem is British. If you people don't understand, go and meet British. You should help British to help you people to fight for kingdom, because we know they fight for kingdom. Our freedom of Biafra is not kingdom we are fighting for. We are fighting for our nation, Biafra, our nationality. We not be fight for where they will consider Edo kingdom. Who should do? Who know Edo? When they created Edo? What does it mean? Did you know when they created Edo? They created Edo 1961, I think 1991. Then they created Edo Abibini. Then they created not be you now where they born, where they never even born that time. Now you can't come as I can't they drag Nigeria. You see, our leader. Let me tell you one day, civilian. Anyhow, our leader take talker. We are accept now. We accept time. Not be say we the talk and hide now. Anyhow, because this family, the way we take bring ourselves together, if they see on ourselves, would they use like people like Fulani herdsmen. Now the eye will take the look on one day, civilian. Fulani herdsmen. Now the eye will take the look on. Because they're not from Nigeria. What do why is fighting? They won't come up for Nigeria. The Hausa, the Fulani, they don't created their Islam country for themselves. Okay, what you want create now? Una go create una kingdom. Yes, peacefully. Biafra is Republican. Yes, you go create but una no go put am for Biafra land. This is the only thing you people are just missing. You no go dey there, no kingdom for there. Oba Benin no say you no get kingdom. In your they deceive una. They collect the money wey una take survive for life. They collect the money, they make you come do migrant for year. Go and check Italy now, go check Roma. Edo State you day street there, they sleep for outside. They day street there, they sleep for outside there. Now outside they sleep for Roma. This foolish boy, this bastard, where they have not correct. You go, they come outside, they confuse the Edo State you. If you be Edo State, you Edo Benin, if you be the youth, I'm sorry for your life. Your life don't finish. Your life don't finish. Your life don't end. This kind of people, they don't end on our life. We not get life to live again. Because by the time we finish with you people, anywhere our people for see una, they will they run, they will they speech for una body, because na be useless people. They don't useless all of una. Because what your Oba Benin do to una, una don't know what your Oba Benin do to una, what they see now. If una know what your Oba Benin, now we they see what your Oba Benin do to una. But una know they see, but for una stupidity, for una foolishness, una no one wake up to the reality, because don't brainwash all of una. You don't put una all of una head for one basket, because una be one family. Yes, you follow the family. We are not one of you people, understand? We not be one of you people. In Biafra now, we are, I keep on saying this thing every time, what the civilian. Not be say with the talk and hide. If in the Godomi land, if you be the native doctor, you want to perform native doctor in Godomi Godona, you must make sure say you vanish and reappear and disappear, come back. If you don't do that, because me believe say in this land, a native doctor, there is a native doctor that will vanish and disappear. I know that it will happen in this land. In Edo, in that Edo, I know that that such thing will never happen. I make Oba Benin give Izobo, Cutlass and gun, make they kill Edo State you they go. The name of say he don't retire for native doctor. The juju way they serve, not they work for a gay. Nothing they do for a gay. Gua not fit work for a gay. That's essay yo, that's also essay. Now Oba Benin they serve for una head every day. I be una know the get sense, what that's Civilian. That's also essay. Now Oba Benin they serve for una head. If they put something they take this pour on our brain. All of una don't they craze for social media. I be you think people like us that like you go to make go to children. You go just they do Oba Benin go just they do something. It go they waste the time. It they waste the time. You don't know what is coming for him. If you know what they come for now, all those I doing suppose they pack on. The one way British pack I do for Benin, for that Benin. The other way British park now, they use until they make money. How they use until they make money? They don't say these people, they are stupid people, foolish people. They have to pack it, all those black animals, foolish people. Now that Nigeria, that Benin, so now make they give up, the name they record Africa, then they call the black people, black man. Now that Benin, let me tell you, fellow Biafra, waiting make that they call this color so black Percy, black animal, black monkey. Now that Benin, now therefore happen because the British don't come pack their nonsense. Pack am for month, go drop am for them, make they kill themselves. Now they know. Say British they say that they foolish. Say all those people they serve dustbin. So go clean am for them, go keep am for one place. Make our people come they loot the stupidity of the black people, the stupidity of those people that you know say this thing where British put for museum. So now stupidity. Now their people go they look. Now that they pay money go they look. Mona no to say they just carry that to say that it won't benefit them a lie. They carry the stupidity of Africa. The stupidity of Africa, they carry for Benin there. Because they fight una. They give una kingdom. They know say una they foolish. They can't say they carry the thing where they there. The stupidity where they there. But they kind of go they show their people. Any black man when enter that museum now. It will say Africa, my people. These people head is not correct. They are just foolish people. You think what you people or what British collect, what the British collect for that museum? You think say British not fit do that thing? They feel you not get what white man cannot do. I'm telling you people today, all those those artists that they do, they even get the machine where they tell they do all those things. But now the black animals, they'll say no. I'm a forefather Asian. Why your forefather wanted civilian? Why your forefather? Why your forefather wanted civilian? Your great grandfather, why you not do light? Why you not do light before he die? Your great grandfather, your ancient father, all those with their father, all those about Bini Egwa, all those animal, foolish people will not get sense. Why they not do life down? Why they not get steady life before they die? Now good thing they're good. They're not good. They are not a good people. They're not good. They are not relevant. They don't know anything. Their brain no they work. Now make they die throw away. They don't invent anything. Una consider they drag for the dustbin where British park for that. Now light British collect for now. Wonder civilian now light British come park for now. No be light because this video I don't want to make you talk anything for this video because you be foolish person. Your head not correct. I know they want to hear your voice for here because your brain no they work. You know they think na normal human being. Those stay tuned. A time is coming because this damage what these people they do for now the Edo and Bini, the Bini and Edo, all those the way they more they clap and follow around, more just they clap and follow around because by the time we the Esan people and the good people of Edo State, the Godomigodo people, by the time una come they notice on certain things for among of una say una don't they come to minority. Nobody they listen to you people again. At least person maybe as you day now somebody won't give now big damage now una they do to una people. So person won't give una house rent now they not give una. They'll say you be Benin. They'll first ask you something first. If I will see you now say you are Benin, no, you cannot stay in my house. No. If you ask someone ask you who are you are Benin. No. It's an abomination. They not will give una house stay. Nobody will give una house rent. Say more una stay house for Western World. Now be the suffer where una dey create for una people now. And they tell una say anybody will be Benin where they clap and follow Oba Benin. And when una they suffer this thing, Oba Benin will not be there. I'm telling you people. So people where they clap and follow Wonder Civilian. Wonder Civilian is doing you people damage. After I don't do this damage finish, that time we will let our people know that anywhere you foresee Benin people, don't give it as friend. Let them may sleep outside, may call back Benin, or may call Wonder Civilian, may come help them, may come help them. Because very soon we both will come to deport all of una. You come to carry on and go where una for come because una be foolish people, una head not correct. When I head not correct, Wonder Civilian, you will come outside. A man that did not even insult you, he don't even have time for you. You will come outside. You the lay cause for your papa head. You the lay cause for your mama head. You the lay cause for your generation head. They don't that will fire you, fire Oba Benin. Don't die. Now will fire you, fire Oba Benin. Now Oba Benin, my people, now Oba Benin send these people come outside because there is no kingdom. Kingdom not there. Go and drag kingdom with the British. Go and meet British. They should give you people kingdom. Benin people, mostly the Benin women. Now they call now where all those Benin women, the frustrated one where they inside. Please, not be Biafra frustrated now. Now Oba Benin frustrated now. Now Oba Benin put now for metal slavery. Oba Benin change Igodomigodo name. We say na Ado Kiti Ado Ibi. We dey take our name back. If you be Benin, follow Oba Benin. Now moving trade, follow Oba Benin. It's a moving trade. Follow Oba Benin. You should take you elsewhere. Where do you want to take you people to? Take you elsewhere. All these people when they talk their story say he run away, he run inside. You know, in a light, he bring like come the Bini, he carry like come Godomiguduna. The answer is no. He did not bring like to Godomiguduland. We have never seen this kind of generation like this that take it upon themselves. Say yes, they won't fight for their freedom. They want free for this generation. You will be rat, miscreant. You can't come outside. They made them go check emancipation when Nigeria can't do it. And why they can't do it like that? 1960 no modern civilian. 1967, 1968. Na Canada, na right the right put for there. Understand? We not dey there. Now we dey here now. Now we dey tell our story now. Nobody dey tell us our story now. Nobody dey tell us say as it be now. We are here now to take our destiny back to our hand. And you are there now. You are spoiling your people's name. You dey disgrace yourself. The food and the when I don't even get life to live before. All of them don't rubbish for social media. Go check the one with they Jamie. Solve the problem of a single mother, one civilian. Channel your energy, may you solve the problem of single mother. Or may you channel your energy, may you solve the problem of sorority. What your people they do. Channel your energy, solve the problem of those our guests. All those our guests will be say the day street, they hustle every day. So they hide on that motor. They hide inside bush. Go and solve those problems. Biafra is not your problem. Biafra is not the problem of the Benin people. You people have a big problem. You leave your problem. You don't want to solve your problem. You are chasing shadow. What you don't see, the thing what you don't even see with your two eyes, you the chaser. You the chaser. By the time you know, water will pass Gary for now. Benin people, they tell you now, water will pass Gary for now. Because this thing, no, that say, una they say with a joke before, now una come shut up and down. Or you consult me. Nobody is consulting anybody. Call about Benin, no kingdom in Igodomi now. If you want perform kingdom, you should take it elsewhere. Pack it low, go and do kingdom for them. Nobody say me not do kingdom. Understand? Don't think we are joking, other civilian. If you think you have power, let this coronavirus finish. Understand? Me, I will tell you, say, this Europe way day, so people there, they don't go prison. They don't spend 4 years, 5 years for inside prison. So may you come witness and waiting the people, waiting they will do you is that they will make sure say they give you your sentence very well. Now fight to what now better fight. Me, I like fight well. Anybody will know me for Italy, you know say me now fight me they fight well. If police even see me and you say they will know say now you fight trouble. Now waiting me will do you for Italy for Padova where you did there. So and I won't tell people our people where they Padova. Our people, Mona, please, this boy na stupid boy. If you dey part over, Mona, if you know say you dey part over, Mona want this boy. I'm going to come for you one day, civilian. I know the joke. I will come for you. The power where you get, maybe and you go end up for prison. Now maybe and you just go prison. Let me just define. Make public carry me and you go prison. Let me won't go find for Padova. Understand me? So I know they come Padova, come make money. I won't come Padova, make me come find you. So that me and you will fight, we'll go experience prison. You will be saying a fight, carry us go. So me will tell you, say that Italy where you did there, so me don't fight go prison for there. I want me you go. Because if one day civilian go prison, you know they come outside for social media, they talk. If this boy don't test prison one day for Europe, for Western world, you know what they come outside for social media, they talk. You know what they talk, say, make them live freedom, make Nigeria day one, make Nigeria. He never go. This boy never know, he never experienced life for Europe. The life we experience for Europe, now your wife, your carrying and seeing for streets. Now so that they do am for Brescia. Do you see them for street, see woman for street. Do you run for follow them for yansh to yansh. He will go carry and go attach and join his house. The woman now will go the hustle for outside they come. If the woman don't tire now, the small place way for the hustle, we shall take the manage. Pregnant the woman, life don't tire, they don't born for Europe. At the end of the day, they say now citizen they born. We are born citizen. And now citizen will come born. Foolish, now slave you born for year, mad boy. Now no get sense. You born a slave, now slave you born for year. You just born a slave, your pikin not be famous the children they use. You know the mark register, in name not the paper, it did. It's a sojourner. So you born slave for year. Not the one now those pikin, those pikin whether they born for year. Then they tell they use they attach that. One day Vina, you are going to go prison, you will forget your pikin. I will make sure say I will fight you, me and you will go prison. Your pikin and your family, you will dump them for inside house. Understand? So they'll come they send you money for inside prison there. They waste their money, they'll come they send you for inside prison there. Understand? So because your head not correct. For this Europe, Mother Sivinia, I will go find you. Me, they talk to you, so I will go find you. Anybody will know me. I will go find this boy for Padova. If you did Padova, tell Mother Sivinia, send this video, give her. Tell her say I will come Padova, coronavirus finish. Now make me and a fight for the street of Padova. I know they come Padova come make money. And they come Padova come make problem. And they tell you so. Send a go give am. Me they come Padova come make problem. And as they come now for Padova, and they on my phone, make they call the whole policia with dey Italy, the whole Carabinieri with dey Italy, make they come down, make they check me and wonder civilian who get right to stay Italy, who get right to fight for Italy. Bo come tell the European Union, bo to come tell the EU, we will come tell them what we come do for Europe. How we take come here? I greet my people. Based on that fire wonder civilian, fire Oba Bini, fire all their generation, fire the where they for come. Any Oba Bini follower, don't that will fire all of una. Una no get sense, foolish people. God bless IPOB. God bless Mazuna Di Carlo. God bless the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless Odumegwu Ojukwu. Thank you, my people.